Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this Eid look. I know इस ईद पे हम लोग नए कपड़े नहीं ले रहे, बाहर नहीं जा रहे, but we can go all out with our makeup. It's not a normal Eid, not normal circumstances, but it's still not a reason not to celebrate Eid to the fullest. हमने इतने रोजे रखे हैं, ईद तो बनती है. I hope you like this look and let's just get started. First, I'm going with my Pore Filler NYX primer. I already have my SPF and moisturizer on. उसके बगैर तो obviously कोई chance ही नहीं. Those two are really important. Then after the primer, I'm going with my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I am in the shade Natural 02. This is a really full coverage foundation and has a yellow undertone. Yellow undertone I think basic complexions के ऊपर बहुत अच्छी लगती है because most of us naturally have a yellow undertone. I'm going to blend it in with my beauty blender. Next I'm gonna go in with my Pro Conceal concealer from LA Girl in the color Pure Beige. This is to conceal the dark circles. For brightening and highlighting I'll use another concealer. Also with the same concealer, I'm going to prime my eyelids as well. For brightening, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. Just a little bit, बहुत थोड़ा सा, and I'm going to blend it with my fingers because उससे coverage जाती नहीं है. Beauty blender जो है वो product बहुत ज़्यादा soak कर लेता है, and brush से भी it doesn't apply that well. So I'm going to go with my finger first, tap that in. उसके बाद after like 10-15 seconds, I'm going to blend it with the beauty blender. For my powder, I'm going to use Beautify by Amna का translucent powder. आजकल बहुत गर्मी है, so it's really important to lock in your makeup, especially the under eyes, because वहाँ पे crease सबसे ज़्यादा होता है. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to very lightly use it on the rest of the face. Eyes पे ज़्यादा because that's where you crease the most. Also, baking से it's really easy to remove any excess fallout from your eyeshadow. For my eyes, I'm going to use Jaclyn Hill का Morphe palette. First, for my transition shade in the crease, I'm going to go with the shade MFEO, which is the fourth shade in the palette. It's a very light brown, warm shade, which is perfect for the crease. To deepen up the crease, I'm going to go in with the shades Tip and Buns, which are like dark chocolatey shades. You can use any dark chocolatey color if you don't have the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use the shade Meeks in the palette, which is a bronze shimmer shade. I'm going to use it all over my lid with my finger. Finger से color payoff बहुत अच्छा आता है, बहुत rich, strong pigment आता है. So I'm going to use my finger, and you can use, of course, any bronzy brown shimmer color. Going to smudge the eyeshadow at the corners of my eyes ताकि यहाँ पे वो बहुत ही blended सा smudgy look हो. Layer it on the eyelid, and at the ends I'm going to smudge it. I'm going to take the same color Meeks on my brush, and I'm going to smudge it in my crease ताकि जहाँ पे वो matte shade और shimmer shade जहाँ पे meet कर रहे वो वहाँ पे smudge out हो जाए. Next, I'm taking this grey shimmer color, which is the shade Hustle, and I'm going to put it right in the middle of my eyelid. I won't go all over, just right in the middle ताकि वो halo effect आए. Now I'm going to brush off excess powder under my eyes. Now I don't need it because I'm done with my eyes. I'm going to take this Too Faced का concealer in a very dark shade. It's like a mocha shade, and I'm going to use that to cream contour. ये मेरे पास एक sample उसमें आया था, so you can use any liquid very dark foundation or a cream contour. I'm going to contour my entire face with this. This I have to buy in a full size because ये बहुत अच्छा है, but this really small sample size has lasted me like a long time. मेरे पास इस तरह की 2-3 samples हैं, and they blend out so beautifully on the face. So I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend it out and use this to contour my face. I really feel that cream products make your makeup look a lot more natural, especially in the daytime. cream bronzer जो होता है या cream contour, it looks a lot more natural than the powder one, or it's just more flawless. Powder वाला जो होता है वो बहुत harsh लगने लगता है कभी, but with cream products you can really blend them with the skin and your foundation. शुरू में बहुत intimidating लगता है, थोड़ा difficult लगता है, but if you do it like a couple of times, honestly I feel ये तो जितना powder easy है उतना ही easy है. जैसे फाउंडेशन ब्लेंड करना होता है उसी तरह आपको ये क्रीम कॉन्टूर भी ब्लेंड करना है. For my eyebrows, I'm just going to use an eyeshadow from the palette. I'm going to use the shade Soda Pop, which is a brownish black color, and I'll use it to fill in my brows. मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा जब मेरे पास आई शेडो पैलेट में कोई ऐसा कलर होता है that's close to my eyebrow color, I use that eyeshadow. I don't need a separate brow product because it's just easier and it looks very natural. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go in the shade Silk Creme and Chip, एक dark brown और एक light सा cream सा color to go under my lash line. ये मैं I'm not gonna go all the way till the tear duct. ये मैं half अपनी eyes इससे कर रही हूँ. For वो जो एक थोड़ा सा gap मैंने छोड़ दिया, I'm going to use another color over there. Using the same gray shimmer color which is Hustle for my lower lash line जो आधी मैंने छोड़ दी थी जगह from my tear duct till half of my eye lower lash line. I'm going to use that shimmer gray color. Eyeliner के लिए I'm going to use Kat Von D का Tattoo eyeliner in the shade Trooper, which is basically a black eyeliner. I'm going to draw a winged eyeliner जितना अच्छा मुझसे बन सके. I'm not really good at drawing winged eyeliners. Inner corner, I'm going to use the shade in Light and Beam. Going to mix the two and use it for my inner corner. Going to use the same shade and brighten up and highlight the bridge of my nose and lips, and also the brow bone, sorry, arch, brow bone भी मैं highlight कर रही हूँ with the same shades from the palette. For my mascara, I'm going to use Hank & Henry का ये mascara जो है, it's double-ended. एक तरफ इसका बहुत ही slim सा applicator है which I actually use to set in my brows. Also use it for my lower lashes because इसका applicator is so easy. It makes it very easy to cover the lower lashes. Otherwise, मोटे applicator से मुझसे नहीं होती. दूसरे side का applicator is a lot thicker, which of course I use for my top eyelashes. For my blush, I'm going to use NARS ka Orgasm blush. It is a really pretty pink with a gold shimmer in it, and it looks really pretty, especially in the daytime. And if you like a glowy, shimmery look. For my highlighter, I'm going to use Ciate London ka highlighter. It looks really pretty on the skin. For my lips, I'm going to go in with Bella Pure ka shade Envy, which is a very pretty nude brown pink kind mix. It's really creamy and pretty. I don't like really matte lips in the daytime, especially because वो बहुत cracked और weird लगते हैं in person. So that's it. I'm done. This is the final look. मुंह तो हो गया, अब बालों का कुछ करना है because they look really flat. So I curl them from the ends. So now this is done, but there's still something missing. The outfit and jewelry, of course, because Eid है. सिर्फ मेकअप से तो नहीं होगा, jewelry is as important, and जो भी आपका पुराना outfit है, you can use it again, any fancy outfit that you have. Also, I thought कि इस look को extra glam बना दूँ, just see lashes से कितना dramatic फर्क पड़ता है. If you put on lashes, it just looks extra glam, and Eid है, so why not? I'm going to go all out. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. It looks really good in person. I always make sure कि जो भी मैं makeup करूँ, especially for occasions like Eid, वो in person भी अच्छी लगे, not just on camera. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it and Eid Mubarak. Although ये बहुत पहले film कर रही हूँ, but I hope you have a great Eid and I'll see you in my next video.